sell a car on finance? Technically no, but in reality yes. Confused? Don't worry, I'll explain everything. If you bought a car on finance, you're probably aware of the different options available to you when you signed an agreement. Which option you've chosen will determine how you sell your car. I'll run through those now so that you can work out what's applicable to you. PCP, personal contract purchase, is like loaning a car for a set amount of time. Although you make monthly payments, it still belongs to the finance company and you're offered to pay a balloon payment at the end of the deal to keep it. You don't have to wait until the end of this deal to sell though, as car dealers can settle the finance to get you a new car. There will be a tipping point mid-contract where you're in positive equity because you'll have paid a big chunk of the car off. If you haven't had it for very long, then you may have to pay some money to get you out of the deal and sell the car. HP hire purchase is when you're chipping away at the cost of your car and own it outright at the end of the deal. Similar to PCP, there'll be a midway date where you've paid off enough to be able to trade it in without having to pay out any extra cash. I bought my car like this over a 5-year agreement. I know that after 3 years, I'll have paid enough money off to be able to get another finance deal without having to part with any cash. PCH, personal contract hire. In this deal, you put a year's worth of payments up front and then you make fixed monthly payments until the end of your contract. It can be quite expensive to get out of this type of contract early. There are other things to take into consideration when you return a car mid-deal. The condition of the car and how many miles you've done are the main factors. It'll be written into your contract how much you'll get charged per mile if you go over the set limit. Once you've established which deal you have, if you want to know how much is outstanding, you need to contact the finance company to get your settlement figure. Once this has been sent to you, you'll be able to figure out if it's financially feasible to get another car. This figure expires in 10 days, so you've got some time to make your mind up. This is why the answer to the question, can you sell a car on finance, is yes and no. You have to settle the finance before you can move on to your next car.